How to delete your order history on Amazon app. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So you won't be able to do it on Amazon app, and you would require to open up the browser on your mobile device, as there is no option to delete order history on the app. And by the way, there is no option at all even on the browser, but you can archive these orders in order to hide them for any surprise that you want to give to someone. For this, just simply click on this option of your browser or any browser in your device, then search for Amazon and open it up. Then click on the three dots at the top right hand side, or on iOS you would be able to find them at the bottom. Simply click on it. Then change it the view of your browser to desktop site, and this is how it will change it to. Now you can zoom in and zoom out quite easily, and after that at the top you can find the option of returns and orders. Simply click on it. After that you would be able to find all the orders that you have, and right below the order you would be able to find the option of archive. Simply click on it, and this way you would be able to archive that particular order. It won't archive any individual item, and if you have ordered like 10 items in one order, then it will archive all 10 items in one go. And you can find these items by just simply searching for the archived orders, and this way you would be able to unarchive them as well. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.